Go.
Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, this is the blue. Oh, right here. This way? Right here. Well, look, come and get it. Come and get it. Here you go. Here. 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 Come and get this one. Come and get it. Here you go. Here. Here.
You're making sure that puppet's down.
Here. Here you go. Here. Here. Hold on to this one. And here you go. Here.
Hey, what's going on? Hey. What's up, dude? Hi. Hey, I got this balloon for you. There you go. Hey.
She's kind of apprehensive.
Okay, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here. Come and get it. Quickly. Come and get it. Here. Here you go. Here. Come get the balloon. Come get the balloon. Here. Balloon. Here you go. Here you go. Come get it. Come get it.
She's not stupid.
She knows what Mama's up to.
Here. Here's a balloon. Here's a balloon. Hi. Oh, how are you doing? Hi. Come on over here.
Did you get that?
Here. Here you go. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Hi.
Alright, you're done.
Aw, she's scared of him.
No, you're done.
It's look. They're just normal peoples, but not. Hi.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Hi. Is this Urge? Am I?
Yeah, and this is Yellow.
What's your name? I'm Penny. Yeah, this is Urge.
And this is Yellow.
That's blue.
Blue, blue. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Ooh.
I think it's because she sees these guys on Sesame Street or something. They're like, more realistic.
Oh, thank you.